back to my channel. 𝐃𝐈�𝐄 here, and today's video I'm bringing to you this lovely tight coily wig from OMGHERHAIR. This unit is a 3D dome cap bob wig. The code of this wig is DLW04. It's going to be here on the screen, so watch this video and let me know your thoughts on this wig. This was how my package came, in this cute box, and my package also came in this reusable satin bag. Thank you so much OMGHERHAIR for sponsoring today's video. So guys, this is the unit we'll be working with today. We have a comb, clips, and edge brush, of course, and we also have the HD wig cap and more details on this wig. More details because you guys need to read this, like you need to read through. This is a dome cap. Like, this is one of the newest innovation from OMGHERHAIR, and I'm so happy and proud to be working with this brand with this new innovation. So we also have this thank you card for thank you for purchasing. It also has a discount code if you read through. So guys, this is what the dome cap looks like. This is more like the construction of the wig we're working with today. We have the melted and pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached lace, of course, and we have this at the back. I know you must be wondering, we also have detachable combs that you can remove and put whenever you want. That's if you like working with the combs or not. You can remove the combs and you can also put it back. You can see from this video, very easy and straightforward. Let's also not forget the C-shape design. That's the match ear shape, so that it will be easy for the wig to sit on your ear with no trouble. And I'm sure you're wondering what this is, guys. This is the adjustable elastic cord. I honestly feel this is a game changer for the wig industry, and I'm happy with this innovation. So guys, here is the unit we're working with today. This unit is a 12 inches tight coily wig from OMGHERHAIR. You can see these coils, guys, and you can also notice that the combs are detachable. Like I said earlier, the combs are removable and you can either fix it or remove it. I showed you guys this earlier. This is also an 8x6 frontal. Would I call it frontal or closure? But in between, it's an 8x6 lace wig, and this wig is one of the newest things that have happened to OMGHERHAIR. I've been seeing them advertise this wig, and I've always wanted one because I loved everything about this wig. You can also see the adjustable elastic cord. That's the newest addition. I love this about this wig. Like, I think this is the unique part of this wig that I love so much. This elastic cord can be adjusted to whatever way you want it, and you also have the silicone band that helps your wig sit well. You can also see that this wig came pre-cut, pre-bleached, and I would say generally styled, because I mean, look at this wig. They sent it styled to me. There's really nothing I need to do on this wig. With the adjustable elastic cord, I feel this wig is good to go. So I'm just gonna brush. I just brushed the part of my hair. That side was looking very messy, and I was trying to like look at the wig, the sitting. This is the wig straight out of the box. I've not done anything to it. You can also notice the C-cut on the ear. That's C-shaped design, which makes it easy for this wig to sit on my head. And you can see that here I'm just adjusting the band, the elastic cord to fit my head size, because your baby girl has a very small head. And I'm just gonna tuck that in you won't even notice, like you will not even notice that this wig came like this. Like I was using the elastic cord, you will not notice at all. Voila. So I'm using my mousse here to define the coils more, because like I said earlier, this wig already came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. You can see the HD lace. I'm just going to use my mousse to define the coils and also do a little bit of styling, and also use my mousse to melt the lace so it rhymes well with my skin. That is it. It's very simple and straightforward. This is the fastest, quickest install I've ever done in my history of installing wigs. This wig was like fast, very fast, and I'm sure you're not shocked. I'm sure you're not surprised. Come on, it's OMGHERHAIR. If it's not them, I don't know. Their innovation is just out of this world. Lest I forget, this is a 3D DOME CAP bob wig. Guys, this unit, the code of this unit is DLW04, and I'm wearing the 12 inches 180% density tight coil. This coil is well defined, and I love this coil so much. You can see how bouncy and the texture of this wig, oh my god, you need one of these. Really, you need one of these for this summer break, for your summer holiday, for your vacation. You know those wigs you wear and like you're out. You can see that I installed this wig with no glue, completely glueless, absolutely nothing. See your baby girl now. This wig is so nice and it's super lightweight, but the texture of this wig is so nice, water friendly. You can wear it in the pool, and with the new adjustable elastic cord behind, I'm very sure your wig is secured. You don't have anything to worry about. You don't need to worry about anything. You don't need to worry about your wig falling off. I mean, just look at this. Look at this. This wig is so nice and I would recommend 100%, because OMG Her Hair has always been my like go-to wig store, because they always try to make things very easy for you, straightforward, with no stress at all. Details on this wig is going to be in my description box below. Kindly check, click the link. All the promo codes you need to get some percentage off this wig is going to be in my description box, like I said. Kindly share with me your thoughts on this wig. Let me know what you think about this wig. Do you think OMG Her Hair, they are trying? Let me know. I'll be looking forward to hearing from all of you in the comment section. Kindly share this video if you enjoyed it, like, and also subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.